Okay, it's been a while since I've done this. Never really appear on camera all that often nowadays, and there's a reason for why I'm doing this video today. So, I went, after doing a live stream last night on Chase's channel, went to bed, I think somewhere around 9, 10 o'clock last night, I can't remember exactly. And then all of a sudden around 1:30, I'm woken up because a huge windstorm was suddenly starting up out of nowhere. And I don't know if it was the wind or there was a noise that woke me up. I remember hearing commotion going on outside, like in terms of like the weather. And my grandfather woke up because he thought that maybe the antenna fell off the roof, because we got one of those standard cable antennas because we don't have any of those dish services. But we noticed something when we looked out the back door over here. And I'm also going to go outside during this video to show y'all what I mean. That is our neighbor's backyard tree that fell over the fence and is on our back porch. I'm not even kidding you. In fact, I'm going to take you along with the journey because little extra stuff happened since then. I believe it's like, 7 in the morning now. Get my shoes on. I know it's kind of dark. Bear with me, if you will. Because I'm going to also inspect the damages around here. So, the trash can and recycling bins, thankfully they were fine. They were right out here in front of the house. But I pulled them in regardless, and I had to freaking get them through this door because I did not have much room to get them in over here by the garage. So, that was a bit of a chore of itself. And from what I'm seeing outside, at least the pulling the flags are still there. We didn't know if the antenna fell down. So what I was going to do was I was going to go through the back door and look outside on the roof to see what happened. But, yeah, you can see this is going to be easier said than done because the tree's in the way. Completely. Man, I'm going to go around the other side of the door. I mean, I don't know if there was any damage to anything, but let the champ find out for himself. I mean, it is still kind of windy out. I think you kind of hear it from the microphone. Let me see from the side of the house. Oh yes. Oh my God. Oh. Dude, it broke through the fence. I'm gonna go look around the other side of the house to get the other perspective. My grandfather's gonna get a good laugh because he was laughing about this when it initially happened. And I think we're about a week away from daylight savings time from all this shit. Let's see. Neighbor's trash can falling over. Hard to talk when I got the wind blowing in my face. The neighbor's trash can flew over. Basketball thingy. Let's see. Looks like the gutter stuff is still attached. I think that was kind of a personal concern. From what I'm seeing, yeah, the antenna's still there. And of course, we ain't got the trees in the backyard anymore since they got ripped out. This one, yeah, I'll just leave it there. Bird feeder's fine. But, oh yeah. Because of the wind, even as I'm recording this, the fence is starting to look like it's ready to collapse. And yeah, you can see the existential damage of the tree on our porch. I mean, it doesn't look like there's any broken lots. And we just replaced some of the stuff here, like I think this past fall or summer, we just recently rebuilt some of this deck. All right, Mother Nature, I get it. If this fence falls over, that's gonna be funny. But yeah, you can see. Oh God. Okay, I take the hint. I'll stay away from the fence. I don't know if it did any damage to the porch, though. Because I can't see from this side. Okay, from what I see, I know y'all can't see on the camera, but it looks like it's still intact, but it's kind of surprising me seeing the size of this tree, but oh, great. Thank you, Mother Nature. But, what a hell of a start to a morning.